Good morning, students. We are learn about this 8th standard science first lesson crop production and management. This is the Eureka plus bringing science to life. So this is the first lesson. Crop production and management. So now we are discussing this the last video, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops, the crops sown in winter season, and Kharif crops, the crops which are sown in rainy season. Okay, so basic practice in crop production. So first one, soil preparation. Okay, soil preparation. So soil preparation including the tilling and leveling. Next one is the sowing, irrigation, manuring, weeding, harvesting and storage. Okay, so today we discussing about this topic. So first one we discussed this modern methods of irrigation. Modern methods of irrigation, two types are here. Two types of irrigation it will be followed nowadays. It will be followed by this irrigation, drip irrigation and sprinkler system irrigation. Drip irrigation. What is a drip irrigation? So water released. See that this picture? Water released. Okay, drop by drop exactly at the root zone using the hose or pipe. Using the hose or pipe. Okay, using the hose or pipe. Drop by drop near the roots. So it is easily absorbed. It is easily absorbed and it prevents the water loss. Okay, it prevents the water loss. So and to evaporation it will be less. Evaporation it will be less and runoff everything it will be reduced. These actions. What are the actions? Any loss of water due to the evaporation or runoff, everything it will be reduced. Drip irrigation. So 50% of water it will be saved. Okay. So this type of irrigation ideal for growing vegetables, flowering and fruit trees. So next we discussed about this sprinkler system. Sprinkler system, water over the crop and helps even distribution of this. Even distribution of water. Even distribution of water. How is it possible? Yes, is it possible? So rotating nozzles are here. Okay, rotating nozzles are here. It is attached to this pipes. That pipes are this in regular intervals. Okay, it will be regular intervals circulating this. Spread the water evenly. Spread the water evenly. The nozzles are here. Okay, the nozzles. This method of awaiting growing vegetables conserve the water also. Conserve the water. So at the time of the scarcity of water, it will be used. So next we discussed about this conserving rainwater. Do you know that conserving rainwater means it's holding the capacity? Particular area it will be hold the capacity and it is loss of water. Yeah, loss of water in wastewater it will be preserved in the particular place. Okay, in this particular place. So in this area, low level of groundwater is scarce. Local people use several methods to replenish the water table. Okay, so let's check the dams. Check the dams means to build this dams. Okay, build this dam. It preventing the water loss. It preventing the water loss and flowing away the water. Flowing away the water. Okay, so next it percolates the ground and increase the groundwater levels. So farmers when mostly used for this dams water. Okay, do you know that in the irrigation what are the source of this water? Dams, rivers, ponds. So this is the source of the irrigation method. Okay, so next we discussed this adding manure and chemical fertilizers to the field. Adding manures means you have to first preparation of the soil. Next one it is sowing of the selection of the sowing the seed. So next one it is what happened? Soil preparation, sowing the seed. So next one what happened? You see or not? So irrigation. Okay, irrigation. Next one it is adding this manure. So adding this manure depending upon this crops. Depending upon this crop. So first we have to select for that the soil type. Okay, select the soil type. So the adding the manure. Manure is mainly decomposed. Mainly used for this in the animal tongue and the plant material. It contains nutrients essential for this plant growth. So manure has a large amount of fibers. That fibers, it loses the soil. What is the uses of? It is a water holding capacity and also this loses the soil.